Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for September 28th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down, did create an inside bar, moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 77.19, possibly as low as 75.97. Look for some resistance around 76.95 and look for some support around 76.25. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair broke the previous session's high but did pull lower and close lower. We are looking for this pair overall to continue moving sideways, possibly going as high as 137.67, possibly as low as 133.61. Look for some resistance around 136.95 and look for some support around 134.15. Now the pound US dollar pair, it created an inside bar during this last session, did close down. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 157.41, possibly as low as 154.36. Look for some resistance around 165.75 and look for some support around 155.15. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up, didn't quite break the low. We're looking for it to move on around. Look for it to potentially go as high as 191.10, possibly as low as 0.8860. Look for some resistance around 0.9175 and look for some support around 0.8775. Okay, looking ahead, we have tomorrow we have the German unemployment being released for September, which will affect the euro at 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's held at -8K. Now we also have the U.S. releasing their gross domestic product for the second quarter at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved higher from 1.0% to 1.2%. Year to date, they're showing a hold at 2.4%. We also have personal assumption for the U.S. being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time for the second quarter. They're showing a hold at 0.4%. Well, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, like we talked yesterday, the US Swiss, looking for it to come on around and break this high. But going into this next session, I'm looking for the pound US dollar pair to drop. It did form an inside bar. Looking for it to come on down and break the 155.22 mark. Currently, that would be about a 50 pip move or so. Looking for it to come down about 37 pips, right down to this bar's low, right about there around the 154.83 mark. Just be aware you are going through a 0-0 line, which could present some issues as far as support at the 155.00 mark. We still have 22 pips from entry though to get there. Once it gets there, I'd definitely go to break even at that point and then look for it to finish that move. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.